What is up, you guys? This is Chris with Patchboard Art, Patches for the Culture, and we just got done making these skull patches right here. These are Velcro patches. It wasn't too bad. We made these on the Brother PRS 100, also known as the Brother Persona. But not only did we make these two patches right here, we made 80 of them patches right there. Look at that. There is 40 of each patch right in here. So we got 40 of the red ones, all with the Velcro on them. Then we got 40 of the green ones with the Velcro on them. Go ahead and package these up, ship them out to the customer. Yes, these were all made on the single needle Brother Persona. This was our biggest order yet. We were super excited to get this order done in a timely manner. It only took us about 3 business days to get this done with the Brother Persona, because as you guys know, that is just a single needle. This right here is my Juki TL18 QVP. This is what we use to sew on all the Velcro onto these patches. I know there's easier ways to add Velcro on the patches where you like do some like sticky see-through type of backing. Haven't really gotten into that yet, but I do like using my Juki machine to keep up with my sewing skills. So for now, I'm just gonna keep stitching that Velcro on by hand with this guy as opposed to using the Persona. These were the last 2 to complete this order. 80 patches, you guys. 80 patches with a single needle Brother Persona. It is possible. This is Chris with Patchboard Art, Patches for the Culture. We'll see ya on the next one. And don't forget, keep on stitching.